There are many things in the world that we humans do not know, but there are some things that we are surprised to know. If you don't believe me, then do you know which is the fastest running particle in the world? Do you know which is the biggest library in the world? Do you know how many brains an octopus has? Now you people will say that it must have only one, because humans also have only one. But you are wrong. Octopus has more than one brain. And do you know where the world's largest lake is? If you also don't know all these things, then you have come to the right video. So welcome to our channel. The ocean is such a wonderful mystery that no one has been able to know till date. Do you know that scientists have taken the help of sea lions to study the ocean floor? In this project, researchers from the University of Adelaide and the South Australian Research and Development Institute installed lightweight cameras and tracking devices on sea lions to understand the ocean floor off the coast of southern Australia. These devices allowed sea lions to record video of the ocean from 16 to 360 feet depth, containing 89 hours of valuable data. This study is an attempt to better understand the structure and biology of the ocean floor with the help of sea lions. You must know which place Dubai is in the world. If you don't know, then let me tell you that Dubai is number 1 in the Arab world and number 11 in the whole world. But you might be surprised to know that Dubai welcomes around 17 million tourists every year, who contribute significantly to Dubai's economy. These tourists generate around 20% of Dubai's GDP from tourism, which makes it a major center of tourism globally. Do you know when bodybuilding became a global sport? Bodybuilding became a global sport in the 1950s and 1960s. And in 1965, the first Mr. Olympia was held, which became the most prestigious competition in the world of bodybuilding. But you should know that the world's first bodybuilder was an Egyptian priest named Bellistricus. He lived about 2,500 years ago and used exercise and nutrition to develop his body. But this happened when there was no name and trace of technology. In terms of modern bodybuilding, the world's first bodybuilder is considered to be Eugen Sandow, who was an Austrian man, and he started bodybuilding in the 19th century. He used exercise and nutrition to develop his body, and he developed many techniques for bodybuilding. Apart from this, Arnold Schwarzenegger is also considered a prominent figure in the field of bodybuilding, who played an important role in making bodybuilding a global sport in the 20th century. Welcome to the world's largest gill, the Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is located between Europe and Asia. Its length is about 1,200 kilometers and width is about 195 kilometers. The district contains approximately 78,200 cubic kilometers of water, making it one of the largest freshwater reservoirs in the world. The Caspian Sea is about 5.5 million years old and is the oldest sea in the world. Countries like Russia, Iran, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, and Turkmenistan are located on the banks of this gulf. This district is also famous for fishing and oil extraction. Now you will be shocked to hear this fact. You must know that we humans have a lot of brains, which makes us different from other animals. But do you know that there is a creature in this world that has 9 brains? The name of that creature is octopus. Octopuses have 9 brains, 1 central brain and 8 other brains that are located in each of their tentacle. The central brain of the octopus is responsible for the instructions and decision-making of their body, while their tentacle brains can work independently and control their tentacles. This helps them to move their tentacles independently and solve problems, even when their central brain is busy. This is an amazing example of their intelligence and adaptability. There is a clock on the wall of your house, and you must have heard its ticking sound, which feels good to listen to. But But have you ever wondered how its ticking sound comes? So let's know. The ticking sound of a clock is not actually a sound, but a sensation. The ticking sound of a clock is actually caused by the vibration of the clock's pendulum, which helps our ears to hear it as sound. The vibration of the clock's pendulum produces a very low-frequency sound, which can be heard by our ears. This sound is so low that we hear it as a continuous ticking. This fact shows the science behind the ticking sound of a clock, and shows how our ears convert sound into sensation. Cats. You must have noticed that cats are always shy, friendly, affectionate, independent, energetic, and calm. But you might not know that cats talk with their tails. Cats express their moods and intentions through the position and movement of their tails. They express their thoughts by moving their tails up and down, curling them, or straightening them. Cats have 19 vertebrae in their tails, which gives them a lot of flexibility. They move their tails in such a way that it becomes a communication tool. Here are some common tail signals. Raised tail, happiness and confidence. Tail hanging down, fear or anxiety. Wagging tail, excitement or desire to play. Straight tail, attention or warning. Now the next time you see a cat, pay attention to its tail and see what it is saying. Library is a place where various types of knowledge, information, sources, services, etc. are collected. And there are many big libraries in the world, but I'm going to tell you about the Library of Congress, which is located in Washington, D.C., America. The library was founded in 1800 and is one of the oldest and largest libraries in the world. It is an important resource for researchers, students, and the general public. The library houses over 170 million items, including books, journals, newspapers, and digital media. The library is home to a vast collection of rare and historical items. The library also houses a Gutenberg Bible, and original copies of the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution of the United States. This library is an important part of American history. There's a creature in the world of birds that amazes everyone with its size and strength. Know about the ostrich? The length of an ostrich can be up to 2.8 meters, and its weight can be up to 156 kilograms. The top speed of an ostrich is about 70 kilometers per hour, which is the fastest speed of any bird. Ostrich have very large and strong legs. They can walk up to 5 meters at a time. Ostrich has very sharp eyesight. It can see things even from 2 kilometers away. Ostrich is a very beautiful and strong animal. It is found in the savannas and deserts of Africa. Do you know which is the fastest running particle in the world? The name of the fastest running particle in the world is Oh My God particle. In 1991 in Utah, USA, a detector detected a strange particle. This particle was a proton racing with an energy of 320 billion electron volts. Its speed was almost equal to the speed of light. This particle has taught a lot to scientists. It has helped them understand the universe's nostrils. And even today, scientists are researching about this particle. This particle has taught scientists a lot. It has helped them understand the mysteries of the universe. And even today, scientists are researching about this particle. So this was the Oh My God particle, a particle which is the fastest moving particle in the world. Today we have learned about it. If you liked this video, then like and share it. So these were the facts of this video. And yes, this is a new channel. More good videos are going to come in the future, so subscribe quickly.